Charlie grew high. It was a great place to do a wee bit of courting. So what happened was Robert Burns probably used the Lee Rig a lot. Now you will know the tune because it's a marching tune here, but we're going to sing the Scottish words in case there's anybody listening with rewriting their flags down the road. Okay, here we go, the Lee Rig. I know I'll never be near you if you not my baby. My kind dearie, although the night were never say why, and I were never say we, I'll meet thee on the Lee Rig. My kind dearie. Runs the mountain dear, my Joe. I do the fisher tax the glen. I do the punty steer, my Joe. Give me the hour of morning grey. It makes my heart say cheery. Give me the on the Lee Rig. My kind dearie, oh. Can anyone shout up what it's called here? What? The orange what? What? Yeah. Give that man a round of applause there. Hey!